Valued patient and dear followers, I am Dr. Kuntal Soni from Aura Dental, committed for world-class smiling solutions. In my previous video, I have discussed how excessive and bending force can damage our tooth. And the main reason for this is interference. Interference is nothing but, in a simple language, disturbed harmony between moving upper and lower teeth. I will explain you using simple analogy of gear system. As you can see here, these are the gears. There is a rubber band which attaches to the gear and moves the gear, and there is a joint with which gears are attached. Till gear moves in a harmony, there is no problem. But whenever the harmony is disturbed, there is some interference in the gear system. It causes three problems. First, abnormal wear and tear of the gears, pressure on the rubber band, and pressure on the gear joint due to eccentric movement of the gears. Now I will explain you our chewing system using this model. As you can see here, this is the upper and lower jaw and teeth. This you can compare with our previous example of the gear. This muscles and joints, this muscles and ligament you can compare with the rubber band in the gear example, and our jaw joint you can compare with the gear joint. Now till this moves in harmony, there is no problem. But whenever the harmony is disturbed, there is some interference between the tooth, it can cause three problems. Abnormal wear and tear of the teeth, pressure and disturbance in the muscle system, and pressure and damage to the jaw joint. In a nutshell, disturbed harmony between our teeth not only damages our tooth, it also damages our muscle system and joints. You will be curious to know the reason for this disturbance or disharmony. First, whenever a tooth is lost and it is not replaced for a long term, the teeth adjacent to it moves, and that creates disturbance and interference. Wisdom tooth erupts in our mouth at the last when all teeth are come in the mouth. Sometimes there is insufficient space to accommodate the wisdom tooth, and it comes in some abnormal position, and that leads to interference and disharmony of the teeth. And lastly, our canine tooth with age gets worn, and that creates interference and disharmony for the back teeth, as you can see in this case report. Hope now you will understand how disturbed harmony between the moving upper and lower teeth can damage not only the tooth but also our muscle system and jaw joint. Do watch my other videos on this topic and on full mouth rehabilitation for better understanding of this topic. For any query, you can call us or schedule a virtual consultation. To see more cases related to this topic, visit our website auradental.com. Do like, share and subscribe our channel, and click the bell icon button to get regular updates.